Welcome back to the channel, my people. We are checking a Walmart now, and there's some N-case cars on the pegs. Volvo, bone checker. There's probably not much. I mean, they look full, but they're not. I see what's going on here. So yeah, like I said, I did see P-case, N-case, every, let's see, Silverado TV series. Oh, the Dominici. Oh, gosh. The lay and lowrider. Oof. Surprisingly, the auto drivers are selling. We had a whole bunch here. There was like 4 pegs full of these cars, and I'm only seeing 2, plus a couple down here, of course. The Bel Air. I saw your comments. Someone was like, wow, I really want the 49 Merc, the Ground Pounders. Don't worry, dude. I know I have some extras. We'll leave that for someone. I'll take a look through. Oh, yeah, look, it even got ripped up there. I have some nice ones. That's great. I love seeing that the N case is showing up again. So N, P, Q. Hopefully it's going to be next again, and we'll have another chance to get that 81 Camaro suit. I saw the comments about the Skyline Lego set, and it looks like we should build it, which I'm down for. It'll be really fun. After seeing this right here, yes, and I can build that. Like, I have little LEDs, and I can make an actual LED kit. I can make a light kit for the Skyline GTR Lego, and it will look amazing. My buddy Josh, who I was telling you about, who collects Legos, right? He sent me this picture right here. And as you can see, holy cow, the DC building all lit up, looks amazing. All right, next Walmart. Holy cow, the new Nike Zoom Air Zoom. What's it say? Hold on. Air Zoom is amazing, okay? I mean, okay, they were not cheap. They were like 140 bucks. However, I thought the Pumas were nice. Forget it, dude. I got walking shoes, not running shoes. I mean, you could run in these. However, they're also designated as a walking shoe, dude. Dude, look at this. This is like lightning speed right now. I don't even feel it. Don't even feel it. All right, like I said, they're getting little dump-ins. See, here's one right here. Yep, P-case. What do you know? 32 Ford. There it is. There was probably some more. I didn't even really look through the pegs. A lot of stuff is pegged. Some things are in the bin. We could do a quick little check. I'm guessing it's already been hit, which is fine. We already have the suit and the treasure hunt. It's no big deal. No big deal. I can't wait to see more Q case. I know it's going to happen. Oh, there's a nice Jeep. Wow, let's hang that up. Like, some of this stuff I just want to hang up because the cards are in such great condition. To be in this little bin, it would just be a shame for them to get ruined. My experience in those little mini dump bins, it's every other case, right? So a case is going to have 2 full cases plus some loose cards. And so every one of those 144 count cases, or what are they, not even 192, something like that, I think. Not every one of those will have the soup. It's usually every other one. However, the every other one that does have it could have 2. All right, let's check one more Walmart, and then we're gonna keep it moving. Huge shout out to Jessica and Jennabelle, who won the R32 Legends Tour subscriber giveaway. I'm gonna tag Jessica right here. She doesn't really use her Instagram a lot, but that's it. Shout out to you guys. That's amazing, Jessica. I'm so happy for you. For you girls, right? You guys, I said. For you girls getting that Legends Tour R32 with the flag will be in the mail soon. Congratulations. And thank you for being part of the channel. Uh-oh, I see more Legos. Some Ferrari 512M. Oh, gosh, is this like something good? It's Ferrari, you know, Ferrari. I see your comment. Somebody had mentioned there was a monster truck with blue wheels. If it was the Walmart blue, I would have seen it. My eyeballs can see that blue, I promise. Yeah, my green ain't great, okay? I'll admit it. But my blue is fine, and there's actually a monster truck that does come with blue wheels. I'm trying to find it now. It's not that one. It's similar. It's similar to that one. It's not that. Might be like the War Machine or something. However, we did not miss a Walmart chase. I would have definitely gotten that. The one that was coming out around here was the Bigfoot chase, because Jeremy and Ralphie both got the Bigfoot blue wheel, blue base Walmart chase, which is actually amazing. A little update here on our haulers, my people. This was not the box we opened, but yeah, everything's left, man. Daytonas, IROC Z, Camaro. Crazy. Even that Bronco, this Willys, Another Target getting the C case. Will we see anything good? Oh, cool, a little green Mazda. I'm just gonna set that there for now. But yeah, let's see what else we can find. There's a Jeep back there, Roger Dodger, another Jeep, Nissan, El Camino, custom Camaro. I see another Hot Wheels 80s RX-7. Can I get it without knocking anything over? Oh yes, you didn't even see it, but it happened. Oh cool, the Mazda 787B right there. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Let's see. Yeah, I only got 2 of those before. I'll grab a few cars here. I'm not gonna get a bunch, but I'm gonna grab a few if the cards are nice. Debbie Hayes Thunderbird Nissan Maxima drift car. I doubt we'll see like the Combi. You know, I would love to get a few of those, but without hitting the cases fresh, I just don't think it's gonna be possible. So Bone Shaker, Dodge Van, Nissan. I'm just gonna read the labels. Teed off, Dodge Van, Bone Shaker. The gotta go, the gotta go, the gotta go will be here forever and ever and ever. I don't even see one Copo. All right, this dump bin is here, and I see some of the newer cars. Let's take a look. We did get lucky in that other dump bin, if you remember. I pulled out the treasure hunt BMW bike, but I guess we'll just take a look through here. 84 Mustang, Pagani Roadster. All right, let's keep it moving. We are now hitting the bin. I don't know if it's worth filming everything. I kind of want to go a little bit fast here. Oh, the Pagani is still here. I don't know. It's okay. I like the other. They did a green one in like 2020. It was really nice. Some of these are going to be the older cars. There's only going to be so many. Not one bike. And I mean, it's possible they just don't, you know, that every case doesn't have it. I remember I think they did a bike treasure hunt before, and that's what happened. It's like they didn't make a lot of them or something. But I remember they just, oh, there it is right there, see? There it is. So yeah, I guess it was in there. The treasure hunt, BMW 9T. We did see 2 Camaros on the pegs, both mains. I don't know how many cases they got. But I do know we could possibly see, oh, they're stacked up still as if they just got thrown in here. I think the bike would have been in the other. Oh, no, there it is right there. How funny. Good thing we checked the dump bin. Wow, that one is nice too, huh? I'm gonna get a few. People are taking them. I'm gonna take them. If I don't take them, someone else is gonna take them. So I'm gonna take them. Let's keep looking though. Oh, there's a Batman. Is it Batman right there? Nothing. B case, Batman. But we'll keep it moving here. Maybe we'll see another Camaro. I don't know. I guess it's maybe 2 cases. I don't know. There's a lot of cars here. All right, let me run through this and if anything's cool, I'll show you. Oh, 69 Copo Camaro. Everybody pray to the gods. There's nothing. Main. Just gonna leave it. Card is bent. So that would mean there could possibly be another bike in here, actually. I can't believe we didn't get the red cases. Oh, man, it's gonna be a weird year. Everyone's distribution is all, oh, no way, there it is. Check it out. So they did. It looks like 3 cases. I see 3 main Camaros, 3 bikes. I'm pretty sure we've seen all the good stuff. But just in case, I am going to keep looking. Bent cards, something. Hyper Rocker, Fantasy. We don't want no fantasy. Hyper Rocker. I do like these Roger Dodgers, man. I said it before. The camo is so cool. Unleashed Design Battle. They should have put whoever's won's like name on there or something. Oh, I just realized this is part of the 80s set. Hot Wheels, the 80s. Oh, number 1? Wait, I thought we already saw number 1. Oh, or maybe I was questioning what number 1 was. Well, now we know. It's the 87 Ford Sierra Cosworth. Well, that was the last Target, you know, around me to get the cases. They had not gotten them until whenever, yesterday, today, whatever it was. No big deal. I did really want that soup, though. It would have been really great to find it, but We'll keep it moving. That's what hunting is. We don't call it finding, we call it hunting. All right, we are checking a Hobby Lobby now. Look at this new BF Goodrich lift. These are cool. Sean was telling me when we saw him last that if you see the little holes there, you can actually adjust these lifts. The other lifts were not adjustable, and those ramps are also now separate. They used to hang off of the back. Now you could see the ramps are in the back of the pack. Oh, and an Armor All theme. Look at that. And you can actually, there is Armor All logos on the ramps. Wow, I'm only seeing one of the California lowriders. It's the green Monte Carlo, right? Yeah, Monte Carlo. I don't think they got a bunch in this last delivery. I really would have liked to see that in a greenie. Holy cow, that would have been amazing. Red, white, and blue, and green. Well, unfortunately, there is just so many items here at the store. They just won't be ordering a lot of cars until some of these sell. And I get it. These pegs are overflowing. There's just no reason to keep bringing in new stuff if none of the old stuff is selling. Hey, not a problem. Let's keep it moving. I don't know where else we're gonna check, but we're gonna find someplace. This happened last year too, really. Right after Christmas, things were good for like a week, and then things got quiet, unfortunately. Easter is coming up. Easter will be a good time of year for Diecast because of like Easter baskets and stuff. Hot Wheels are perfect for those. If you remember, we were at this Family Dollar recently, and we saw the 32 Ford. Here it is, still here, even though it's just the main. It's pretty nice. I did see in the comments or a DM where somebody found one of these mains and the golf stamp was everywhere, like golf camouflage. Ooh, that one's chipped in the back. Good thing it ain't the soup with a big old chip. Anyway, yeah. Oh, the 94 Audi, yeah, just in case. But anyway, that's so crazy. Oh, even the NSX is there? Huh. There is stuff missing. It must have been kids. Nobody wanted the drift car, the Volvo drift car. Crazy. Ooh, another one. Nobody wants that. And the Shelby Cobra back there. I don't love the color either, but it's better than the blue and white one. Remember when they made the blue one with the white bottom? Oof, awful. Alrighty, my people. Let's check a Target. I've not been to this store actually in a long time. You know, I tried getting stuff here. It was tough, man. This store was tough. I think somebody who works here found out about the goods. Oh, it's like a trick dump-in. Look, there's cardboard there. I thought it was going to be fuller, but we'll do a quick look. C-case, yep, C-case. C-case, the Dodge van, nobody wants it. Everyone really liked the C-case Dodge van from last year. I mean, it has a super, that might be why. But it was just better, remember? The Hot Wheels Kart Co. I should find it and show you guys. I'm sure you've seen it. Oh, we do have new people on the channel. That's true. That's true. Remember last time I'm like, I'm just going to give up. And then I found the bike. Maybe I should actually look. All right, yeah, I looked through here. Here's a nice Mercedes. I did see a couple of those. I was seeing more at other stores. But yeah, I looked through here. I got that far in. Pretty sure I saw everything. I guess I should be careful because I did miss a couple cars at that dollar store. I was like, oh, there's no Golf 32, and then it was all the way in the back. Dummy. That's what happens when you look at Hot Wheels all day. They all become one. Yeah, I'm just gonna put everything back. That Group C Fantasy is awful. They're gonna be here forever. Same for the brick and delivery thing. And yes, even though I'm a Lego pro, yeah, you heard me, I'm a Lego pro now because I have a GTR. Okay, I didn't build it, but I'm still a pro. I'm not getting that. Oh, it's Mega Bloks anyway. It's not even Lego. It's not even Legos with an S. Legos. Just kidding, comment guy. I saw your comment. Well, we got some peg cars here, but it's nothing, man. It's all fantasies. Oh, there's a Batmobile. I guarantee it's nothing. Yeah, would have been gone by now. All right, I think we're done for the day, my people. I think that's it. Yeah, fantasy, Dodge van, unfortunately. What a shame. Poor Dodge van and that Corvette Roadster. Whatever. I don't know, man. I don't know about this year for Hot Wheels. I think right now, like, what would be my favorite 2023 Hot Wheel? I don't know. I can't think of one. I can't think of what my favorite Hot Wheel for 2023 is. We have some new NASCAR Authentics. This would be the chase right here, so keep an eye out, guys, for the Auto Trader, as shown on the back of the card. Look for the Auto Trader chase piece, and it would be like a mirror, an orange mirror. Cool. That one is not it. I did look through Kyle Busch, and what is that? Yeah, 22 Wave 4. Oh, that's pretty nice. Look at that. Has tooling. That's a nice livery. Still got test cars in here. Bass Pro, Universe, Fastenal, Ford Motorcraft, Interstate Batteries. That's a good one. They did that as a chase before, I'm pretty sure. I think. Still the same, yeah, Auto Trader, 2022 Wave 4. All right, that's cool. That's cool. Just stop by $1.25 tree. I don't see anything. There's not even one Matchbox, and they actually had a bunch here. So, cool, good. I'm going to end the video right here. Congratulations again to Jessica and Jennabelle for winning the subscriber giveaway, the Legends Tour R32. It will be in the mail soon. We will be doing giveaways every 1,000 subscribers, subscriber giveaways on the YouTube. We'll be doing them on Whatnot during the shows, obviously. But as far as the YouTube goes, every 1,000 subscribers. We are quickly approaching 13,000. So within the next probably week or so, we'll have another subscriber giveaway. Thank you again for watching today's video. I'll see you in the next one.